When I see this tree, I see the following. Your Excellency, we must have tree to exist as a nation and prosper as humanity roots for depths that sustain the tree. A strong trunk to withstand the wind, branches that extend in all directions with grace and flexibility. Leaves that dance in the breeze remind us that balance is the key of living. This quote not only speaks about a tree, but also about you, dear Prime Minister. Thank you for leading our nation with character, intellect, and consciousness. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Welcome to the American University of Medicine, Aruba, in the historical heart of Oranjestad. These next 4 years will undoubtedly be the most challenging, but at the same time, the most rewarding years of your life thus far. When the difficulty comes, remember you are here because you are worthy, because someone entrusted that one day you will be capable of taking care of the world that walks through your front door. At the end of all of this, you will cross the stage. You will get your degree. You will join the ranks of medical greatness. You will pass another chapter and continue your journey onto a new chapter. Until then, remember to take deep breaths. Live one moment at a time and try to enjoy the scenery once in a while. In this field, the days are long, but the years are short. Don't forget to enjoy them. Don't forget to embrace every single day you are living this honor and this privilege. With this, I would like to wish you all an incredible start of your medical career here at the American University of Medicine, Aruba. Remember to be good to one another, to be good to your parents, and especially to be good to yourself. Thank you.